What's going on, guys? This is Drew at Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today I'm going for a drive in this 2023 Honda Civic Type R on this rainy day. So this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 315 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. So the Civic Type R is a really fun vehicle to drive. You have like these very sporty bucket seats in here. They look awesome. It's like red Alcantara. And there is no heated function on it though, because you get the buckets. Like obviously the more luxurious version of this car is the Integra Type S, which I have many videos on, of course. And yeah, 6-speed manual transmission, exclusive. You can't get an automatic in this car. You have a Bose sound system as well. You have a red Honda badge on this car too. You also have a reverse camera. And you have the Plus R mode, which will put the car in the most aggressive settings. This one also has an aftermarket exhaust. It doesn't sound like this normally. I'm not sure what the exact brand is though. And you also have a Type R badge over there, which has like the chassis number too. And you have Alcantara center armrest. The Honda key fob over here with the red Honda badge, similar to the steering wheel. But let's walk around the car and see what it looks like. So let me move my seat up a little bit. It's also all, what do you call, manual controls on the seats. I made a video on the Civic Type R before, but not a point of view drive. So yeah, and you also have red carpets in here too. You have a white exterior on this car, black mirror caps. You also have black wheels. I think this is called Championship White, if I remember correctly. It's a really nice white. Black wheels with the red Honda badge. Also you have red Brembo brakes. You also have LED headlights and the Type R badge on the front. It's a good looking car. This definitely looks a lot more conservative than the previous generation Civic Type R, which a lot of people didn't like. The styling, the gaudy styling on that car. I mean, that's definitely like subjective, but this one definitely looks a lot more restrained. You also have red carpets and black cloth seats. You have a rear wing. Here's a trunk. You also have a little cover for your items. And the exhaust, AWE is what it says on it. And the Integra Type S and Civic Type R have the 3 exhaust tips in the center. But yeah, it looks good. You also have Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. And I love the gauge cluster in this car. The Integra Type S does not have that. I wish it did. And you also have shift lights in this car. You also have the Honda Log R in this. And I think this also has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, because the screen looks exactly like it does with the wireless, in the Integra with the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And obviously the Integra's interior is based off the Civic, so. But one thing about this car is that it has like a wow factor when you open the door. The Integra Type S, I feel, doesn't have that. Because of these bucket seats, that's like when you open the door, you're like, wow, that's cool. So that's one thing the Civic Type R has over the Integra Type S. Like I personally would take the bucket seats over the seats in the Integra Type S, even if I have to give up the heated function, because I love how these buckets hold you in place. Put in the regular mode or regular sport mode. Ah, okay, so if you put in the regular mode, it'll go back to the regular gauge cluster. So that's cool. not have auto rev match? And the throws are very, very, what do you call, short and satisfying in this car. Stock. Yeah, it's fun. Very fun. And so yeah, the Integra Type S has roughly like 5 more horsepower than this car does. And yeah, so now I'm realizing why the auto rev match might not be working. I remember when I started up the car, it says like auto rev match issue. I've noticed that in the Civic Type R and in the Integra Type S, I've seen it happen before. It just happens every once in a while and it just disappears. Which is interesting. Oh man, the steering feels so good in this. But yeah, like, it's very fun to drive. Steering feels amazing. Steering feels amazing, acceleration's really good, throws are awesome, handling's amazing. Like, yeah, this is an amazing car. It is such a blast to drive. And I really, really love these bucket seats. just love that plus R gauge cluster. It looks awesome. That steering is so heavy in this plus R mode. I love it. But overall, that concludes today's video on the 2023 Honda Civic Type R. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for cool performance cars like this one.